show you how to play Mafioso, the rap beat by Mac Dre. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody that he uses for that rap beat. Arrangement of Godfather theme. Starts on an E flat, E flat, A flat, B, B flat, A flat, B, A flat, B flat, A flat, E, G flat, E flat. He does it again. But this time he goes down to an E flat, D, D flat. Then right up the diminished seventh chord. B flat, E, G, B flat. That's a train whistle chord. Diminished seventh. It's a nice sound, all minor thirds. Is the reason it makes that sound, but you got a D flat, E, G, B flat, D flat, E, G, A flat, then all the way down to this A flat, D, E flat, D flat, E, D flat, E flat, D flat, B flat, D, A flat. We're in the key of A flat minor. So it starts on an E flat. And once you get that down, then you can just add the left-hand bass in. It's just an A flat. So you just fit it with the melody. Then he goes to a B flat right here. And on that diminished seventh, goes right back to the A flat. Then to an E flat right here. And back to the A flat. So the E flat, you'll hit it like this. Now let's play it hands together. There you have it, beat for Mafioso by Mac Dre.